In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product in Samcart in just 5 minutes. Creating a product on Samcart is a straightforward process, but ensuring you handle each step properly will make your product page attractive to potential buyers. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You'll want to navigate to the Samcart website. This is your starting point for accessing your dashboard, where you can manage all your products and sales. Once you've pulled up Samcart, go ahead and log in. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly so you can access your dashboard without any trouble. If you're new to Samcart, make sure you have set up an account beforehand. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a sidebar with various options. Look for the Products tab and click on it. This is where you'll manage all products you've created or plan to create. To create a new product, search for the orange plus New Product button on your screen. This button is your gateway to setting up a new offering on Samcart. Clicking here will open a form where you can fill in your product details. Now let's enter the product details. Start with the product name. This is the public-facing name potential buyers will see, so make sure it clearly represents what you're selling. It could be something catchy or straightforward, depending on your strategy. After the product name, you'll need to select the product type. Samcart offers a variety of options like digital product, physical product, or even subscription types. Choose the one that best suits your offering. Each type serves a different purpose, so ensure you are picking what's correct for your audience. Next, it's time to determine the product price. Decide the value of your product and input it in the designated area. Be strategic with pricing. It could be competitive, value-driven, or premium based on what you're selling. Once you're happy, click Create Product. At this point, your product is officially created. From the list of products, find the new product you've just added and click on its name. This brings up additional settings and details for you to customize. Now that you're in the Product Details view, you have the opportunity to add more information. Consider adding an internal product name for easy organization, a product SKU for tracking, as well as the product URL, and an image to give your buyers a visual of what you're selling. Think of these details as enhancing your customers' understanding and interest in what you're offering. Finally, once you've entered all the information and are confident everything looks right, hit that Save Changes button. This step ensures all your input is stored and your product is now live and ready to be explored by your customers. And there you have it. You've created a product in Samcart in just a few minutes. Follow these steps each time to ensure a smooth process. And soon, you'll be navigating Samcart with confidence. Thanks for watching.